Earnings season is in full swing this week, and we're going to have over 400 companies reporting. A lot of them are S&P 500 companies, a lot of the big caps, but which ones have the best earnings records? I searched through all of them for hours to bring you the best ones, so let's get right to it because you might be surprised. The first one is not a name that would be surprising. It's Johnson & Johnson. They've had this great track record for even longer than this 5-year chart is. They seemingly beat almost every quarter. The shares are down a little bit off those highs, but got to be looking for another earnings beat here if you're playing the earnings and miss on this one. This will be an interesting one to watch. Our next one is one name you might not know, Prologis. I actually had to look this one up. It's a REIT. They do big industrial distribution centers and logistics. They have worldwide facilities, but they too have this great record. You can see that everybody was pretty bullish on them in 2016. Shares are near those 5-year highs. This one is also one to watch if you're playing on a company that keeps beating. Our next one is Steel Dynamics. Kind of interested to see a steel company in here. They only had that first miss in 2014, so they too have a great track record. Shares have soared after some of the Chinese data has been better than expected, and it looks like China might be turning around. So we've got this steel name in play this quarter. And then I brought an extra bonus fourth stock because I just couldn't resist Lockheed Martin here. A lot of the defense contractors have great charts. Theirs is still one of the best on the street. They only have that one miss in early 2013. We're willing to overlook that. I mean, look at the beauty of it. It's trading near those 5-year highs. We're going to have to see what they say here, but they did have a pretty good size beat last quarter, so I'm looking for more of the same. These are a lot of the big names that are going off early on this week, and I'll be bringing you more all week long about which charts have the best earnings surprise records. Now remember, just because they beat all these other quarters doesn't mean they're going to in the future, but you got to like the track record. It's not hard to do, and these companies are doing it. Also, if you want to play the options trade, be sure to tune in on Zacks Live Trader. It's over on YouTube with my colleague Dave Bartosiak. He's going to be covering a lot of these trades on the options side, so if that's your thing, definitely turn in over there. That's on Zacks Live Trader on YouTube. I'll see you more this week.